And I want to tell you, Gucci, me and Zulu are fine, you know. As far as I know, some Nandi, there's no bad blood. And I want to tell you that he lives in his house. You understand? It's a house that used to belong to the company, and Zulu bought the house. You understand me? So when I get calls about a house, instead of calls about, yo, what you guys are doing for this hip hop thing is dope, then abakhuluma kanjalo mabangifonela, you know, but manje idladla la BigZulu wali tenga, you know, that means not renting. All these stories are lies. So I'm doing this so that I don't get calls from no media people. I'm phone media about this. This is why I haven't retweeted any of the love you've been showing to the joint, because, you know, I know the difference between, I mean, I'm grown and I know propaganda, and I know when there's an agenda, and the more you push these things to become that, then you are speaking to it and you're saying, yo, you want it to happen like that. You know, and if it's just a sport, you drop a link and you let it go, and you just, you know, let the people, you know, indulge in your product. Yeah, bro. So that's why I haven't been tweeting about it. I haven't. In fact, I downloaded Twitter to drop the link and then deleted Twitter because, you know, Twitter is not one of my favorite places. But I know that there's fans out there on Twitter. So I just hate it when the media is involved, man. Any sort of media. I don't partake anymore. I've decided in my life, personally, ezinye izinto ezihlangene nobumedia nani into engazifuni, you know, ngifuna ukuziphilela impilo mina.